Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Kitchen Capers. Wish you all happy Raksha Bandhan. So today's special recipe is two types of rasgulla and chole. So let's start with rasgulla. So this is 5-liter cow's milk. Let this milk boil. So it has boiled now. Now switch off the flame and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, take 1 cup of water and add half cup of vinegar to it. Now add this to the milk slowly and mix it. Do all at a time. Add slowly. So you can see it has curdle. Now it is completely done. Now add water to it. And strain it out. Now wash it with water so that the vinegar smell and taste will be removed from it. Wash it properly 2-3 times with water. Now squeeze all the water from it. Now leave this for 1 hour in this way. After 1 hour, open it and you can see there is no water left in this. Now add half tablespoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon semolina and mix it. Now you have to knead this for 15 to 20 minutes so that it gets smooth. So this is 1 liter water. I have added 250 grams of jaggery to it. Now mix it. And your water should be in this consistency. So I have divided this into 2 parts. Now take small part and make a round ball out of it. Make all in this way. As you can see, the water started boiling. Now add all the balls in it. And keep the flame on high. Now cover it and cook it on high flame for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can see our rasgulla has become double the size. Just flip it. Cook it on high flame for another 5 to 7 minutes without lid. So the jaggery rasgulla is ready. This is 250 gram of sugar. Add in 1 liter of water and 3 crushed cardamom. After the water starts boiling, add all the to it and keep the flame on high. Now cover it and cook it for 15 minutes on high flame. So after 15 minutes, you can see our rasgulla, it has become double the size, soft and spongy. So the tasty and spongy rasgullas are ready. So dish is tasty chole. So this is 500 grams of Kabuli chana which I have soaked overnight. Add water and salt. Cook it for 3 whistles. In a jar add 4 cardamom, 4 cloves, 1 star, cinnamon sticks, javitri, peppercorn, cumin, ginger and 2 onions and garlic. In cooker add mustard oil, cumin seeds, bay leaves, crushed cardamom and cloves and onion. Here I have taken 4 onion, big size. Cook this onion. Don't overcook it, just let this onion get pink color. Now add tomato puree to it. This is 4 tomatoes puree. After it leaves the oil, add onion and all the garam masalas paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin and coriander powder. Cook the masala properly until it leaves oil. So you can see our masala is ready. Now add spring onions to it and little bit coriander leaves. Now add boiled chole to it. Now mix it. Now add hot water to it. And add salt. Cook it for a while. So our chole is ready now. Serve it hot with puri or chapati. So our Raksha Bandhan special dishes: puri, fried rice, chole, chili paneer and kheer. So friends, comment me if you want the recipe of any of these dishes. Thank you friends for watching today's Rakhi special recipe. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you like my recipe, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And wish you all once again happy Raksha Bandhan.